Hey guys, sorry there was a takedown notice on the last video, so I'll just skip one part and we'll move to the positive. Moving forward, gonna do videos like in the old days, so I'm just gonna grab the camera and go wherever I go. Whatever I'm doing, I'll be recording that. And I know I've tried various things through the years, through the last 2 years, trying to figure out what fits YouTube's algorithms and their new system that they put in place. So what we're going to try now, you've seen different things. I've tried topic-based videos. We're going to go back to when I used to be in the RV in those days, where I just grabbed the camera. I might be working on one thing or on another thing and go back and forth. Whatever I'm doing all day is what I'm going to show. So that's part of what I said in the previous video. Some of you may have seen that and some of you may have not. And I will continue on with those type of videos and see how that works out. I did see some very positive response from that. So I'm sure that some of you will be quite happy. And remember back in the day when everybody said, "What's Troy going to do tomorrow?" Or "What's Troy going to do today?" And that's what we're going to get back to for now. Let me know what you think and we'll proceed moving forward. So, that having been said, let's proceed with what I've been doing. Talk to you later. Stay tuned. Video comes. Morning everybody. Very, very, very cold morning today. Snowy. I got a new broom to try out here on the solar panels. Now, I can only use it to there normally, but now I can extend it. Should have my gloves on. It's cold. Oh, look at that, with ease. Problem is, there was a freezing rain. Yeah, there's a freezing rain, so it's on there, it's coated. This is a problem. And there's no sun, so there won't be any melt. I'm going to get the top sections done with the extension, and then we'll move down with the normal brush length. Yeah, it's on there. Freezing rain is no help at all. I couldn't have done this with the other broom. This one's worse. Oh, this one's really bad. See, the rain came at an angle and the tree protected it some. Isn't that funny? my tree protected it some. This one's very bad. Yeah, this is terrible. I hope I can get these bottom ones better, but oh no, the rain is terrible. Not cool. We're not going to get maximum solar power production today. Well, I'm going to carry on and get these cleaned up and see if we can get some power going in the house, because it's bad right now. That one's really iced. These aren't so bad. Well, that's as good as it can get for today. We need some sun to warm up these panels and melt that ice. Those are coated in ice. That's as good as I can get it vigorously scrubbing. Well, I guess the tree is good for something in this case, huh? At least it's not zero production. The batteries were dropping to what I consider dangerously low levels, and we got to get some power coming into the tiny house. Hey guys, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got my deer fat sitting here on top of the wood stove to be rendered down. It was mounted up pretty high all the way around. I had a hard time getting it in. It was about this high, and then I had to leave, so I wasn't able to monitor this and get the video going in time. But here we are. It's all the deer fat, like I said, it was this much and filled this big around. I wish I had got a video of it, but I had to go to work. So I'm going to put the lid on, and that's going to sit there and just render down into liquid, and then I'll scoop off the meats and the salads and the contaminants when it's done. This may take a couple hours, it may take a couple days, I don't know, but as long as it's here in the wood stove, it should be fine. And we're gonna make soap, old-fashioned animal fat soap using deer fat. Hey guys, I'm putting my shelving together. Some of you remember that. DIY VIP was one of my rewards from True Value one time. I'm bringing in my camping and survival gear, putting it up here in the shelves. I still have to straighten it out. I'm just bringing it in and sort of figuring out where stuff is going to be. And then I've got some outdoor and survival mix match here. Michelle's talking to baby cat. And then we've got food over in this section. You can see a little bit sticking out there, canned foods. And then half of this will be food, and the rest. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shelves for survival gear, and we'll have 6 shelves for food. And well, we're getting it. We're getting it all in here, and I'll have it all organized nice and neat. Oh, everything in one place, finally. Oh, and it makes a nice backdrop for videos, doesn't it? I think. You think so too? Okay. Hey guys, it's been a while, and what was looking like a lot is now looking like not so much. Down in there, the level is very low. It's sort of cooking nicely. There's some moisture on the lid, and it's cooking down. Looks pretty tasty actually. Anyway, it's really reducing, so I'm not sure how much we're going to have when it's done. Hopefully it'll be enough for a batch of soap. I guess we'll see.